Is your Mustang GT ignoring your iPhone when you plug it in for CarPlay? Statistically, 80% of these connectivity issues are simple software glitches that you can fix in your driveway. Let us start the diagnostic process to get your music and maps back on the dash. First, always verify your cable quality, clean out the phone port, and ensure CarPlay is toggled to on within the sync settings. Software conflicts are common, usually stemming from outdated iOS versions or a corrupted cache in your vehicle's infotainment system. If software resets fail, you may be looking at a faulty USB port module or damaged data pins behind the dash. Try a master reset of your sync system before considering a professional repair, which could involve replacing the expensive APIM module. The cost of fixing this ranges from a cheap cable to a major investment if the internal infotainment computer fails. Perform a master reset by clearing all stored devices, which forces the system to re-handshake with your phone's connection protocols. Keep a basic set of plastic pry tools and a high-quality data cable in your glove box for quick troubleshooting on the go. Remember, persistence pays off, as most infotainment issues are solved by resetting the software before ever touching a screwdriver. If you're still stuck, drop your sync version number in the comments below and subscribe for more Mustang maintenance guides.